Good morning. Today I would like to speak about a very simple concept. How does money come into the economy? I'm not referring to the printing of money or anything that creates inflation. I'm talking about how does money become more in an economy. And this is very simple. Let's take, for example, a baker. So the baker buys ingredients for 10 rands. He adds something to it and he gets as a result a product, maybe a cake, and he sells it for 20 rand. He has added something, and as a result, he has another 10 rand in the economy. What is that hidden factor? That is work. Very simple. Work that leads to a product which is desirable and sellable creates money. Nothing more. All we need to do is to work and create products in abundance that are needed. That very much explains why China has become so powerful in her economy. The amount of work that they're doing for planet Earth has created so much money that they are taking over country by country by getting their products in there. The same thing we need here in South Africa. We need work. We need a lot of work that brings about a lot of products that are sellable and desirable. Very simple. People not working, they are a drain on the economy. People working, they create an economy. So we need to get back to work, and we need to work hard and fast to get much of products. Good luck to all of us. Thank you.